Hi, my name is Scott Gaunce. I'm a hard-edge abstractionist, and welcome to my recent body of work at the Duane Gallery. My work is about translating nature and the natural phenomena onto hard-edge abstraction, utilizing line, color, and geometric forms, along with wood to echo the natural world. My New Mexican upbringing has been a big influence on my creative process. I value the light, the landscape, and the vivid hues in the Southwest. This exhibit has new work that I've been working on over the past year. You'll be able to see hard-edge abstraction with natural elements of the natural world provided in it. There are several new works. Some of it has monochrome colors to it. Other ones just have bright colors that interact with each other. Some of the colors will cause an optical illusion, which causes the brain to guess what it's seeing. So there's hard edge colors that I use that will start looking like it's wobbling or moving. I hope you can see this work in person because of the optical illusion effects that happen from the paint. It never works as well on camera versus the human eye. A viewer will see these centered, bright paintings that are basically right in the center of what appears to be raw wood. The wood has been treated with graphite, and the reason is to echo the natural world. And wood has special grain, kind of like our fingerprints. So that right there, you can see it's an original piece and not a reproduction. It was important for me to interact with the natural world through the wood grain and put the human touch in there through painting. And also my paintings are so precise that it is a technique that I believe lends itself to almost machine-like quality. However, I love the fact there's the human hand in there. I'm excited to be here at the Duane Gallery for my first solo show in St. Louis. I'm originally from New Mexico, been living in St. Louis for 10 years now. I hope you have the time to sit with the work, be with the work, and let the work speak to you. What does it say to you? And hopefully you'll forget about what the outside world's doing, forget about your technology, your phone. The work is meant to be a quiet place, a place of solace and reflection. The show will be up until December 2nd, 2023. And you can learn more at DuaneReedGallery.com.